Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to convert your cryptocurrency into another, in this case USDC to USDT. Now we're going to be using the crypto.com extension on our web browser. Now when you're doing that and you log in your account, you will have the option to click on swap. Now because we're converting from USDC to USDT, you need to look for USDC and then you're going to tap on it. Now when you tap or click on it, you're going to see this. Now you're going to look for the swap option. Now after clicking swap, you're going to ensure that you have the correct network selected for your token swap. In this case, we want to swap USDC to USDT. So right here, you will be expected to see USDC because that's the coin you selected in the first place before tapping on swap. Now, the next thing to do is to select your token. We're looking for USDT. So when you click on it, you're going to have the option to search for USDT. Now, after that's done, you're going to have your USDC here and your USDT. Now, depending on the amount that you're trying to convert, you will see the equivalent for the USDT right down here. And you can also see the summary, in which case you will be seeing USDC equals a certain amount in USDT. And then on the next page, you're going to see the protocol, the contract address, the network you're using, estimated network fee, and of course, the slippage tolerance. Of course, for this example, you can see 2%. For USDC to USDT, the percentage might vary. Now, after you've reviewed the swap details, you can click on swap, and the last option is to confirm. Now, when you confirm on this, you will see your USDC converted to USDT. You're also going to see the icon here transferring into the USDT icon. And then underneath, you're going to see the summary of your transaction. Of course, when you click on confirm, this will be completed for you. So this is how to convert USDC to USDT on crypto.com using the web extension.